Hello, this is a video on how to fix a screen guard. You tear open the wet wipes, even though I don't tear this one before. Then use it to clean the screen and make sure every part of the screen is shiny, remove all the dirt. Then tear open the dry wipes. Also, when you tear it open, pat every part of the screen and make sure it is dry. Then open the screen guard, place it directly on your phone screen with the aid of your index finger. Apply a little pressure on the middle and spread every part of it and make sure there's no bubbles. Check everywhere and make sure it is well placed. Simple. That's how to fix the screen guard. Thank you.